In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your Binance charting tools on the desktop or web version. Whether you're into spot trading or futures, having the right setup can significantly enhance your trading experience. So, let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Binance.com and log into your account. This is the gateway to accessing all the powerful trading tools Binance has to offer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading page. Depending on what you're interested in, you can either choose the spot trading option, or, if you're feeling a bit more daring and interested in leverage, go for the futures trading. On the trading page, you'll notice the main price chart prominently displayed. This is your canvas. Go ahead and hover over it or click to reveal the various chart controls available to you. Now, if it's an option for you, switch to Trading View mode through the chart settings. This mode offers you more potent tools and a more diverse set of features that cater to both novice and professional traders. Next, focus on selecting your preferred time frame or interval. Above or below the chart, you'll notice interval buttons such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. It's important to choose the ones you frequently use for your analysis. Sometimes, you even have the option to add custom interval buttons, giving you additional flexibility in your analysis. Once you have your intervals set, it's time to change the chart type and style to your liking. By accessing the chart settings, you can select from candlesticks, lines, or bars, depending on what best suits your analytical preferences. You can also modify the color themes, switching between light and dark modes, and adjust the colors of the candles and shadows. If you're on the Futures interface, you'll find these options under the Style tab. Adding indicators is next on our list. Click on the Indicators icon and you'll be greeted with a range of standard indicators such as moving averages, exponential moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. Customize their settings, like periods and sources, to better align with your trading strategies. For those who are more experienced or have specific strategies in mind, you might want to explore the use or creation of custom indicators. These are especially handy for advanced analysis in futures trading. You might also want to utilize backtesting tools to refine your strategies based on historical data. If you're trading futures or consider yourself an advanced user, you'll appreciate the flexibility in layout and modules. You can switch between different interface modes like Advanced, Full Screen, or Multi-Symbols. Additionally, you can tailor your workspace by adding or removing panels such as the Order Book, Positions, and Open Orders. Feel free to adjust the sizes and reposition these modules around to create a workspace that's unique to your needs. Lastly, try saving your setup to avoid the hassle of reconfiguring everything every time you log in. While some settings are saved automatically, others might require manual adjustments each session. Keep in mind that some users have reported that not all customizations, such as themes or specific indicators, persist across sessions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your charting tools on Binance. Happy trading!